Now once we're ready to edit our quiz and start adding questions, there's two ways to get there. The first way is to click the little wrench update icon next to the name of the quiz, or you can just left click on the Moodle quiz link for the quiz itself. Now once we click on the quiz, we get this separate screen. If you notice, it says this is info for this quiz. This edit settings button over in the left settings panel is what's going to bring us to the page that we've seen earlier to set the quiz up. This is the same exact page with the same exact settings. This is just another place to go to make updates to your quiz. However, we want to add some questions. So over in the settings panel, we're going to click on Edit Quiz, and this is going to show us the questions panel. Now with the questions panel, there are a few things to note. The main thing is the category. Right now I am in the category that says Default for Moodle Intro. That title, Moodle Intro, is the title of my class, my Moodle class, not the title for my quiz. So to create questions specifically for this quiz, we need to change that to go to Default for Moodle Quiz, because that's the quiz I want to add questions to. The reason this is here is so you can use questions for multiple quizzes throughout your course, or copy questions from one quiz to another. So that's a good idea to always make sure you check the default for Moodle, or default for whichever quiz you're actually trying to edit. Another thing to note on the quiz page itself is the maximum grade. If most of your quizzes or most of your tests are 100%, this is where this 100% comes from. This is the grade itself. So it's easier if you keep it a whole number. However, if you do have odd numbers, Moodle is smart enough to modify each question to be worth X amount of points to make up for the maximum grade. And we're going to see that as we start adding questions. To add a question to a Moodle quiz, there are two places to do so. You can either click Add a Question in the left panel, or you can click Create a New Question in the right panel. My suggestion would be to always use the Create a New Question in the right panel, because it's automatically going to put it in the default category for the quiz you're located in, and you'll be able to edit where it goes in the quiz itself. So to do so, you would just click Create a New Question. As you can see, there are a bunch of different question types you can add, so we're going to go through each question type.